What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Fast Guy Media. It's your boy Kyle. I'm here with co-pilot Jax. Today, we're coming to you live from Museum Row on the Miracle Mile in Los Angeles, California, USA, with another LACMA construction update. Entering our final episodes here with the LACMA renovation project. They're putting the final touches on a lot of things outside, although there's still a lot of landscaping that needs to be done. In addition to packing in the inside of the galleries, there's not going to be much to see here before too long, so we got to enjoy it while we can. Naturally, we will be doing a recap video. We'll get in there on one of the opening days, show y'all what it looks like from the ground level, and it is very, very daunting. It's a lot bigger from the ground than it looks like from the air. On that note, it is peanut of your time for the co-pilot. It's been a warm one out there today, Jax. If you like what we're doing, if you want to help support the channel, buy me a copy, link description below. Super chat, super thanks. Thumbs up the video, comment on the video for better for worse. Give us a sub if you haven't already. All that goes a long ways on keeping us on the road, bringing y'all that quality March content. So without further ado, let's go and get on out there. Show you guys what's going down. Peace.